Legion, I won't lie to you. When I woke up and saw the markets drenched in red, my first reaction was the same as yours might have been. What on earth is happening? We've all been there. That moment of panic. That instinct to hit the sell button before things get worse. But then I took a step back and zoomed out. Looked at the bigger picture, and you know what I realized? This isn't disaster. This is a discount. Red days aren't the end of the world. They're the market having a clearance sale, and today I'm not running from the dip. I'm leaning into opportunity.
In the heat of battle, I say naughty things. You have been warned. Are you not entertained?
When you see the screen bleeding red, it feels like danger, but 90% of the time, a red day is just market breathing out before it breathes in again. Markets move in cycles. Red days are normal, not a crisis. Even the strongest bull markets have dozens of pullbacks. A 1 to 3% drop is not a crash, it's noise. Imagine checking the weather and seeing rain. You don't sell your house because of a thunderstorm. Let's talk numbers. Most of the market's biggest up days happen right after the biggest down days. If you miss just the 10 best recovery days in a decade, your returns get cut in half. Panic sellers typically buy back higher. Selling locks in losses. Recoveries usually come fast and quietly. Panic selling is like jumping off a roller coaster in the middle of the ride because it dipped. You don't fix a dip by ejecting at the bottom. Now, Legion, there's a difference between a normal red day and real danger. Normal red days equal market rotation, profit taking, economic headline noise, daily doses of Trump, you know what I mean? Bond yield shifting, ETF rebalancing days. Real risk equals company fraud, bankruptcy filings, delisting threats, massive dividend cuts, reverse splits, cough, cough, yield max, structural ETF breakdown, meaning NAV erosion. Selling because the market is red is emotional. Selling because the fundamentals collapse is strategic. Know the difference. Professional investors don't react emotionally. Don't check their phone every 10 seconds. Except to get that text from that hottie. Don't let headlines dictate decisions. Well, Trump does kind of rule the market, so I'll maybe counter on that one. But they follow their strategy. Strategies pros use. Look for buying opportunities. Review long-term thesis. Check X dates, pay dates, and announcements. Evaluate cash flow, not color-coded tickers. Stay consistent with DCA plans. The winners aren't the ones who time the market. They're the ones who stay in the market. Here's your red day checklist, Legion. Look at the 1 and 5 year chart. The red blip shrinks fast. Revisit your reason for investing. Is anything fundamentally different today? Check your cash position. Red days equal discounts for long-term investors. Ignore the noise. News cycles exaggerate everything, but they also present the peak times, such as tariffs, to buy. Stick to the plan. Here, I'm on a weekly pay, daily pay, dollar cost average, and rotation. Whatever's not working, I get out of it. I'm not married to these. Whatever your playbook is, don't toss it on emotional days. These are the days where discipline separates investors from quitters. Also, make sure your wife says don't sell on the red days. If you're a long-term investor, if you're building daily pay, if you're building dividends, cash flow, ETFs, or long-term crypto holds, then a red day is not a threat. It's an opportunity. It's a discount sale when the markets run for a few hours. Red days are not when you sell. Red days are when you stay focused. Legion, remember this. Your strategy should be stronger than your emotions. Red days are temporary. Markets reward patience. And panic selling is the fastest way to sabotage your journey. If this helped you, drop a like for the algorithm. Hit subscribe to join the Legion and comment below. What do you do when the markets turn red? Do you buy more? Do you chill? Do you walk away from the screen? And as always, this is not financial advice, just one Centurion sharing knowledge. Stay disciplined, stay armored, and I'll see you in the next daily pay. Hey, by the way, I'm really interested. Are you from a different country? I'm an American, and I'd love to hear where you're from. Drop that down in the comments. Vini Vidi Vici.
You know what? I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving.